Jack's friends dared him to spend midnight alone in old abandoned library. The moment he walked in, tall dark shelves, cold moonlight through cracked windows, dust floating silently in the air. Everything felt haunted. Then suddenly, Jack froze. Something was shifting between the books, but instead of running, he walked deeper in. He followed sounds carefully and then he saw an open window. The wind was hitting it again and again, making the whole library groan and creak like something alive. Jack took a slow breath and relaxed. It was never haunted, just an old building and a strong wind. He turned around and walked out calmly. A calm mind turns fear into logic, but tell me, would you have stayed calm inside that library at midnight? If yes, please do comment and tell me.